How to set up and use Roblox parental controls. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to look at how you can easily use Roblox parental controls. The very first thing you want to do here is go ahead and open up your Roblox. So open up your web browser, and then you can just go ahead and search for roblox.com. I'll just do that. And then make sure that you're logged into your account, or your child's account is logged in over here. Then you want to head over to the settings menu, go to settings, and then on the left side you'll find parental controls. Tap on parental controls, and then from here you can manage your account to your child's to get access to parental controls. And you can visit parental controls on your child's account and enter your email to get started. Since this account is old enough to be mature on Roblox, I don't have the option. But if your child has selected the option over here for their date of birth and their age does not reach the maturity, then you can easily invite your email from there. And after you've done that, you can enter your email address and then accept that to manage their accounts there. You can manage their screen time, their content maturity, and all of that stuff. So I'll show you guys what you can manage. Once you accept the invitation, you're able to go to privacy and content and then go to content maturity. So here you're able to select the content maturity. So the minimal one, the more left you go, it's going to contain mild violence, light unrealistic blood, or occasional mild fear. So this one is very minimal. And if you move more to the right, it's going to be a bit more violence or light realistic blood or something like that. Now, once you have done that, you should be able to change the maturity however you like. Then it's going to just save it automatically. You can go back and then manage the screen time as well. So you can manage the average screen time over here. And then you can again go back, go to communication, visibility, and private servers. You could just go ahead and change all of these settings for your child. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below. Subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one.